Students, welcome to the fourth session of chapter Stars and Solar System of subject Science and Technology of class 8. Today we are going to study about the different parts of solar system. The main part of solar system is Sun. The solar system is dominated by Sun, which makes almost 99.9% of matter of whole solar system. The sun is also the source of almost all the energy in the solar system. The earth receives almost all its energy, heat and light from the sun. You know that plants, they make their food by using the energy of sun, and that food is utilized by all the living things on the earth. The sun is essentially a sphere of hot gases. The temperature of the bright disk that is visible to us and which is the source of energy for us is about 6000 Kelvin. It means it has very high temperature, that is equal to 6000 Kelvin. The disk is called photosphere, means that part which is illuminated, it is called photosphere. The radius of the sun is almost 100 times the radius of the earth, and its mass is about 1,000,000 times the mass of earth. It means it is very huge and it is very bigger than the earth. Now we will study about the next celestial objects or the next part of the solar system, that is planets. You know that planets, they are also called wanderer, means they keep on moving. And where they move? They move around the sun in their particular orbits. They also look like the stars in night sky, but they are not the stars, they are the planets. As what is the difference between stars and a planet is that stars twinkle, but planets, they do not twinkle. And again, planets, they do not have their own light like moon. It also has it does not have its own light. Planets, they also do not have their own light. Their observed brightness is only due to the light of the sun reflected by them. I have told you that we can see planets in the night sky, and why we can see? Because they reflect the light of sun. And planets, they are divided into two categories: terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. Solid and rocky surface, whereas Jovian planets, they are made up of gases. Terrestrial planets, they are smaller in size, whereas Jovian planets, they are large in size. Terrestrial planets, they are near to the sun, whereas Jovian planets, they are far away from the sun. Example of terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Example of Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we will study about these planets one by one. First terrestrial planet is Mercury. It is also known as Budh in Hindi. Mercury lies closer to the sun than any other planet. It is dry, hot and virtually airless planet, means it does not have air. It has craters like moon, means it also has valleys, but its interior is similar to that of the earth. As earth is also made up of rocks, it is also, and Mercury is also made up of rocks. Like the earth, its interior contains iron and other heavy elements. Mercury is much smaller in size than the Earth. It is occasionally visible just before sunrise or immediately after sunset. Hence, it is also known as morning or evening star. Being close to the sun, it takes only 88 Earth days to go once around the sun. It means the year on the Mercury is equal to 88 days. Means if someone lives on the Mercury, his or her birthday will come after each 88 days. Next terrestrial planet is Venus, that is called Shukra. It is the brightest object in our sky after the sun and the moon. Its bright appearance is due to its cloudy atmosphere. It means it has atmosphere which reflect almost 3/4 of the sunlight falling on it. Venus is almost the same size as the Earth but rotates relatively slowly around its axis. You know that Earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours, but its speed is less. It rotates from east to west, and you know that Earth rotates from west to east. It has no moon or satellite of its own. Venus is the hottest planet. Even the Mercury is closest to the sun. Why it is so? Because Venus has atmosphere which have high percentage of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide it trap the heat of sun and make it hotter even at night when there is no sun. So it is the hottest planet. Venus is also known as morning or evening star as it is usually visible only during these times. It also shows phases like moon, means its size gets changed. Now it is assignment time. Assignment questions. Question number 1. Name the visible layer of the sun. Give an estimate of its temperature. Question number 2. Differentiate between terrestrial and Jovian planets. Give their examples. Question number 3. Write constituents of Mercury. Question number 4. Why is the Venus hottest planet though Mercury is closest to the sun? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.